Let's understand when to use files versus blobs. Azure Files offers fully managed file shares in the cloud. These are accessible through industry standard SMB protocol. Azure file shares can be mounted concurrently by cloud or even through on-premise deployments on Windows, Linux, or macOS. Additionally, Windows file shares can be cached on Windows servers with a feature called as Azure File Sync. This is done for fast access near where the data is being used. Sometimes it is difficult to decide when to use file shares instead of blobs or disk shares. Please take a minute to review the table that is attached as a resource section in this video. Azure files are accessed through file shares, but Azure blobs are accessed through containers. Azure files provide shared access across multiple virtual machines, but Azure disks are exclusive to a single virtual machine. When selecting which storage feature to use, you should also consider pricing.